The Select widget is located in the upper left-hand corner of the basic parcel viewer. It's underneath the address bar, has the mouse icon, and a little square that looks like part of it's being selected. It's not of much use until you zoom into an area of interest, so we'll just pick this area for the example. Go up and click the Select widget, and you can see there are a lot of layers located in here. Unfortunately, all of the layers in our background cache and in any of the layers on the map are going to show up in here. So using this widget, make sure you know what you're looking for. Most commonly it's addresses, which I have clicked on, and parcel viewer data. You can see the addresses are still grayed out, and that's because we're zoomed out too far. So we'll zoom in a little bit more, and if it's that dark black, we know that it's turned on. By default, it's going to select by rectangle, but if you hit this drop down, you can see you can do by circle, by polygon, by rectangle, by line. We're going to do a polygon for this example. Once you hover over the map, you can see that it gives you instructions. Click to start drawing. So we'll draw a polygon over here, get some of these addresses in here. You'll just make a click on all of the vertices you want, and when you're done, double click. You see it draws that. Any address or parcel that is within any area of that polygon you drew will show up in this light blue. And you can see within there are 2 addresses and 6 parcels. The cool part is going to be in these options. So you can click these 3 dots and you get a list of all of the options. So you can zoom to those addresses. You can pan to it. You can export in multiple different formats. Once you click that, it'll just start downloading that file. There are also statistics that you can look at. You can create a new layer if you want to of just those selected features. You can name it whatever you want. We'll name this test. And that layer will then show up in your layer list and you can turn it on and off. You can also save it to your ArcGIS Online content. You can view it in the attribute table. You can see these are the 2 selected, and you can see all of the attributes down here. And the last option is to clear it. So if you only want the address selection cleared, you can do it there. And to clear all of them, you'll just come up right next to the select. That'll clear all of them and you can start a new selection.